you a worm?" asked Early Bird. "No," said a bug on a flower. "I am a ladybug." "Are you a worm?" asked Early Bird. "No, I am a frog," said a fat fellow on a log. "Worms live in holes." Early Bird saw something in the ground. "Are you a worm?" asked Early Bird. "I am not a worm," said Bunny Rabbit. "Worms wiggle all over. Go look in the garden." In the garden, Early Bird saw a wiggly thing. "Hello, worm," Early Bird said. "You mean, hello, Mousetail," said Freddie Field Mouse. Then he scampered back into his hole. Early Bird began to cry. "What's the matter?" said a funny fellow. "I can't find a worm," said Early Bird. "Don't cry," said the fellow. "There's a worm right over there. Just hop over and pull him out." Early Bird took the worm in his beak and pulled. But the worm was stuck in his hole. "Give a big pull,"